This is Monday, the 22nd of June, 2026, starting on the weekly, and you can see that last week swept the previous week's high and closed strongly bearish down. We are still flowing down at the moment. We might anticipate that previous week's low will be targeted at least, and even the week of the 8th of June low might be targeted as well. Looking at Friday, a nice strong close below Thursday's low. The Friday made the low of the week, and as I mentioned, I'm anticipating that Friday's low will be targeted or the previous week's low down here. So I'll go ahead and mark those straight away. We'll put our magnet back on. And I'll drag this one down, so just know that those are, come on now. On Friday early, I was away in the afternoon and just checking what we had. Just lovely selling that continued on from Thursday. Sellers were very much in control. Once the volume profile zone had been set, there was selling at the value area low. Then we got through this first downside fire line, came back, retested that towards the end of the day, and then through Asia, selling continued. I don't want to say easy trade, but relatively easy. Once price broke out of the Asian open range, strong selling came up. As soon as I saw this key bar down, everything was basically lining up. We're taking off a sell of the previous day's low. It didn't even make it up there. Sold into the first downside fire line, and that was it. I was done for the day as I had to travel in Friday afternoon. And if you're a trader who likes to these larger intraday swings, you would easily just trail your stop on any sort of attacks back up that were rejected, and it was quite a phenomenal day all the way through till about 3 p.m. So that's really strong continuous selling. You can see how the algorithms are just lining along this trend line here every time it came up to tap that angle, and it's rather steep angle, so shows a level of selling down to the second file line down. Just see if it made it down to the third one. No, the third one was way down here. So fantastic selling if you're into those. Coming into today, we'll draw in the volume profile zone straight away. Draw in Friday's point of control. Can switch that off now. And so as we can see, we are between the inflection point and the point of control. We're trading around the dynamic fire line. So it's a matter of just being patient. As I said, this Friday's low is definitely on target. The first level down is another target. It's probably got to get through the value area low and not reject off this lower value fire line. That is an area of value that buyers might want to buy from to trap any initial sellers, but I'm definitely favoring selling through there. But I've just got to get it out of this range. It could stay in this range of all of Asia. That does happen. It was a public holiday on Friday, hence the amount of selling that came in through Asia. And we had an early end to the day on Friday. So just see how it all sets up.